Hello students, Standard 8, Chapter number 6, Squares and Square Roots. Now, we finished everything learning in this chapter. Now, we are doing the final exercise. Question 1 is find the square root of each of the following by a division method. Here there are 12 sums in the first question, but I will explain you only few of them. The others you have to do yourself for your practice. So first one is 2304. So now 2304 we write down for the division and then make the pairs from the unit digit. So one pair and the other pair. Now first pair is 23. So now we have to take the square numbers which are less than 23 or equal to 23. So now 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. 25 is greater than 23, so you can't take 5 5s are. So you have to take 4 4s are. Remember that sometimes students are making mistake like that. They think that 5 5s are 25 is not possible. So let's take 5 4s are. Then they do like that 5 4s are 20 because 20 is not greater than 23. But that is the mistake. You have to remember that whatever number you take, you have to multiply with the same number. So you can't take 5 4s are. So you have to take 4 4s are 16. Now 23 minus 16 is 7. Now you add 4 again, so you get here 8. Now the whole pair together come down. So now here there is 4. So either 2 2s are 4 can be there, but then it will be very small. Then what else can bring you 4 here? 8 8s are 64. So 4 can be there. So you try 88 8s are. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64 plus 6 70. So we can take 88 8s are 704. Very simple. So you got the remainder 0. So you can write down therefore square root of 2304 is equal to 48. Very, very simple method and shorter than the prime factorization. Let's do another one. Take 3481. 3481. So now we have to make the pairs 81 and then 34. So now 5 5s are 20 by 6 6 are 36 will be more. So we have to use the 5 5s are 25. 14 minus 5 is 9. So here 9 is remainder, 81 is coming down, and then 5 plus 5 is 10. Now here we get 1 0. So now either 1 1s are 1, but 1 1s are 1, it is not 981. So what else can we bring 1 here? 3 3s are not, 4 4s are 5 5s are 6 6 are 9 8 8 9 9s are 81. So 109 9s are 9 9s are 81. 9 1s are 9. So we got 109 9s are 981. So here you got the required answer. remainder is 0, and therefore square root of 3481 we got as 59. Let's take another one which are bigger digits. Let's take the 8th one, 7921. 7921. So now we make the pairs 21 and then 79. Now 79. Then we go 6 6 are 7 7 are and so on. 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49. 8 8 are 64. But 9 9 are will be 81. So 9 9 cannot be here. So 8 8 are 64. 9 minus 4 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. And the pair is coming down. 8 plus 8 is 16. Now we have to bring 1 here, as I told you, either 1 1s are or 9 9s are. So we try 9 9s are. 9 9s are 81. Yes, it is 1521. So 169 9s are 1521. So remainder is 0, therefore square root of 7921 is equal to 89. So now the remaining sum of the first question for your practice. Of question work for homework. So you can have the make great practice, and it is so easy. You will enjoy doing it. Let's do the question number 2. Now in question number 2, they said we don't have to do any calculation. Then without calculation, how can we give the answer? Let's see. Find the number of digits. Find the number of digits in the square root of square root of each of the following numbers. Without any calculation. We don't have to find the square root, but only how many digits will be there in the square root of this number, but without any calculation. I will show you a trick. 164. Now what do we do when we want to do the find the square root by division method? We make the pairs. Look here. When there are two pairs, there are 2 digits in the answer. 2 pairs, 2 digits in the answer. 2 pairs, 2 digit answer. It means that just we have to pair and the number of pairs will be the answer. Here from the 4 we pick only pair. So square root 64 will have 1 digit. You know that 8 8s are 64. We don't have to find, but you know most. Second. What is the second number? It is 144. Now when you make the pair, the one pair, doesn't matter one is alone, but it is a pair. So how many pair we make? 2. So square root of 144 will have 2 digits. You know that square of 12 is 144. 1 and 2 digits. 3. 4489, 4489. So here you can make one pair and 2 pairs. So 2 pairs. So square root of 4489 will have 2 digits. Very simple. Fourth one. 27225. 27225. Now here you will see that one pair, second pair, and 2 is alone. So how many pair? 3 pairs. Therefore, square root of 27225 will have 3 digits. It will have 3 digits. Fifth one. 390625. 390625. Make the pairs 1, 2 and 3. It means that the square root of 390625 will have 3 digits. So here without calculation we can find the number of digits in the square root of these numbers. Now question number 3. Find the square root of the decimal numbers. So let's do few of them. First one is 2.56. Very simple, but we can take it. So now 2.56. Now when the numbers are with the decimal, then you have to make this side only first and then that side. So now don't take 25 but only 2. So you know that 1 ones are 1, not 1 twos are 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 will be 2. Now after 2 there is a decimal point. It means that in the answer also we have to put that decimal point and bring that whole pair down. 156. Now 6 we have to bring. So either it will be 4 fours are. So 24 fours are. No, it is not possible. Then go further. There is 6, so you can take 6 also. No, we took about 6. So what can we take now? You can take 6. 26, 6 and 50, 156. So 26, 6 are 156. And therefore your remainder is 0 here. And therefore square root of 2.56 is equal to 1.6. Let's take another one. And that is 51.84. So 51.84. So now from this side and from that side. 51 now. Seven sevens are 49 because 8 8s are 64. So 2 is the remainder, then 84. And here 7 plus 7 is 14. So now 2 twos are 4, so 142 twos are. So 142. Now we forgot to put a point, that's why you can put point here now. 2s are 284, and you got this up. Remainder 0, therefore square root of 51.84 is equal to 7.2. Let's take another one. Take 31.36. So 31.36. We make thus two pairs here. Now 6 6 are 36 will be increasing, so 5 5s are 25. So 6 and then 36 will be down. 5 plus 5 will be 10. So now 10. Then we can use 6. 106 6 are. But before that we have to put the point here. 106 6 are 636. And therefore square root of 31.36 is equal to 5.6. So now by this way we can find the square root of the decimal numbers also. Let's take one more example. Fourth one. 42.25. So now 42.25. Two pairs here. Now 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49 will be more. So we can use 6 6s are 36, 12 minus 6 is 6, 25 will be down, and 6 plus 6 is 12. 5 there, so we can use 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, 5 and the 5 plus 1, 6. So 125, and then put the point also, 5s are 625, and your remainder is 0, and therefore we can write down square root of 42.25 is equal to 6.5. So here we are going to finish today's session. In the next session we will finish the chapter, because there is the last few questions are remaining in this exercise, and remaining of this question also you have to do in the homework. Only maybe one or two is remaining, so you can do it yourself, and then any problem write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.